it's swim test day and I don't want to do it.
Swim test this morning and I passed the shallow water test, which is great, and I'm still in Typhoon Lagoon. I tried the deep water test, I did all the lengths and then just couldn't do the brick, so that's fine, but shallow water is what I wanted. So we are now back at Universal as householders, so why not? We were always planning to come today. Yesterday was a bit spontaneous, so yeah. I think we're heading into studios first, so as Kate can see Diagon Alley in the daytime, and then possibly riding something, I don't remember what, and then heading through on the Hogwarts Express to Islands of Adventure. Just a Rip Ride Rockit, and it was really fun, but I am now super shiny. But yeah, it was really good. I picked Swansea World because it was one that came up on the preview thing and it was a lot less stressful, and we're now going to find the others. And we're back in Diagon Alley. Hogwarts Express and are in Hogsmeade, but it's raining. Oh, you think that Florida is great and sunny and warm?
Maybe for that one woman, you need to take your poncho out to her.
It's now a lot later and we are back home. It basically just rained for the whole afternoon. We had a potential tornado warning and then it actually just turned out to be a severe thunderstorm, but it was windy and cold and literally just raining from 4 o'clock-ish until we left at 8. So I don't actually know where I last filmed anything, but we did Forbidden Journey and then we headed around. They made me do Cat in the Hat, but then we did Kong and Spiderman because they were inside, which was marvellous, and then the rain stopped enough that they opened some of the outdoor rides, so I got to do Hulk, which was so fun. I literally loved it. But I am now going to try and get an early night because, I mean, I say early, it's like 11, because we have traditions tomorrow and I do get a lion, but then, you know, I might see happily ever after. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a magical day. Bye.